It is unique, as it is gratifying, that the hospital administration plans to give each patient seedlings to plant at their homes upon discharge. This must be the only hospital on earth and I would like to be challenged even in the Guinness Book of Records. I would like to be challenged and be told where else on earth, when patients are discharged, they are given a tree to go and plant. When you get a newborn baby, you are given a tree to go and plant for that baby. Tell me where else in the world.
He was very keen that we plant fruit trees, avocados, mangoes, bananas. So as they grow, if you're here for some time, you'll get fruits from here, from all these trees, all around the fruit trees. So it's also going to assist with nutrition at the hospital.
So the new way of doing it, whereby you give a recovered patient or a newborn a tree, gives also the kids a sense that as you grow up, we need to actually nurture and conserve our environment. So this is just the beginning for us. We are in Kajiado next week, and we have Ngong that we are doing a similar project.
Tweka nasa leo wewe woka uko thibitari wona wa discharge ndukainukage utakuite muti uthi uhande gwaku nigetho ririkanage ati no wahanda maisha kugwaku mucie na gwiciria tungika uguo ni guguthi wega muno uruje ngenda kuga ni ati twina mathukuru maingi muno boarding twina mathibitari twina technologies nyingi muno no demorie onao moke makofi uguo tureka okorwo mena kundu mangihanda miti makorofia mahande irio mahande vegetables tafadhali hatibata kuguraga irio ajiko wina mugunda munene.